Hi everyone. This is Artvader04. In this video, I'm going to show you how to carve a pumpkin using Photoshop. Let's begin. First, select your pumpkin and the face design, or you can make your own using lasso or a pen tool. Now, adjust the shape of the pumpkin and the face design to match their both perspectives. Now, duplicate the face design layer and decrease its ratio. Select the duplicate layer and choose clipping mask to mask out the unnecessary part of the layer. Now, connect the edges of the duplicate and the original layer. Now, add some shadows by using an exposure adjustment layer to create depth. Use a texture to add some details to the pumpkin. Now, change the color of the inside of the pumpkin into a lighter one using color overlay option in Layer Styles window. Make the carve section darker to avoid it from mixing with the inner part of the pumpkin. Now, create some light inside the pumpkin using either solid color or hue and saturation adjustment layer, and change the blending modes to make them glow. Create a new layer under the blending mode, linear dodge, and paint the outlines of the carve section. Now, add some outer glow to the pumpkin. Finally, we carved the pumpkin. Now, I created some background and put the pumpkin and blended it with the background and used camera raw filter to create this final artwork. Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop content.